Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know it's bonnet DIY time, so we're doing bonnet DIYs today. No, I'm just kidding. I've been sick, so I haven't done anything to my hair in like 4 days. So that's that. But today we're going to be repurposing this dresser that I got from the thrift store for $7. I am super excited because we're turning it into my like camera sewing printer station. It's gonna be great. Anyway, so if you want to see that video, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here we go. Alright guys, so first we want to go ahead and make sure that we take off our, take the current door pulls off. As you can see before, this one was missing some door pulls, so I have a quick little hack for that. But keep all of the original screws that you can. So we took them out, we kind of saved them. I think I lost like maybe 1 or 2, but for the most part we were able to keep them all except for the 3 original that were missing. Now we're going to go ahead and sand that bad boy down. We're basically taking off that top clear coat so that we can, the paint that we're going to put on there will stick, because you can paint it over it, but there's a higher chance of it flaking, and we don't want that because we are doing this for long term. We don't believe in wasting our time. Y'all know how I feel. I'm a lazy DIYer. It just is what it is. I'm using right now a Ryobi wireless sander, and I can't remember the grit, but if I can find it, I will give it to you. Now we're just doing the doors, and then we're going to take a hand sander, and then sand down the other pieces. So here's the final look. When you're finished sanding, you want to go ahead and take a damp cloth and just wipe all of the dust off, because if not, you'll have all kind of dust in your paint, and we don't want that. That's not good DIY. Once it's time to paint, you basically just go with whatever color that you're going with. I'm using this Valspar Ultra White Satin paint to go ahead and paint, and this did require 2 coats. So I'm using a foam roller brush with that, and then I just paint it. You let it dry and you come back and paint it again. I used that foam roller brush on the sides and on the front, and then I went through with a little flat brush and then did all the nooks and crannies and any place that big roller brush was just not going to get. If you plan on using another color that's not darker and maybe lighter, you may want to look into getting a primer, as this needed 2 coats because it is a white color, so any light color may require a primer. Alright, so we have completely finished, not completely finished, I ain't gonna tell that good lie. We're waiting for the first coat of the dresser to completely dry. We've painted everything, we've got the nooks and crannies. I even think I painted some stuff that really isn't going to matter. So now we're going to paint out, well, I say our like it's our project. Now we're going to paint the doors. Now the doors are going to be purple, and then I'm going to use the same knobs that I used on my dresser, my bedroom dresser vanity. And if you want to watch that video, obviously it's going to be somewhere in the card, in the bio, somewhere. So that's what we're about to do now, and then I'm going to wait for that to dry. Hopefully it only needs 1 coat. I feel like we have enough paint for 2 coats. Where's the paint? Alright, so this is
not have enough paint for no 2 coats.
This is the paint. This is the paint we're gonna use. It is Olympic 1
sample paint, baby.
Satin paint. It's a purple paint. I don't know anything else, but that's what we're using for this. This matches the shelving that's already in the office. So we got this paint years ago at a sample sale. It was $1. All samples was $1. Me and Quenisha went in there and got all that we could afford to get. Oh, we can afford
too much.
We did get a lot. We've got color we still got downstairs we ain't even using. So that's what we're about to do now. So I can't wait for this to be over and everything to move back in my room. If y'all looked at my house right now, you would swear I'm neglecting this place, and it's probably true because I probably am. Everything is painted. This process, I swear, took like 5 days, okay? I bought the dresser weeks ago. It took like forever to even get the stamina up to want to even do everything I needed with it. It doesn't matter. We here now. We here. So it is all painted and ready to go. And it's looking nice. And now I'm about to put the drawers back in. So they're dry. They're good to go. The only thing that I'm waiting on now is the wait a moment. The door pulls. So I said in previously that I was using the same door pulls I used in my dresser DIY video. So I'm waiting on them. I didn't order them because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to use them, and then it just boiled down to that, those being what I was going to use. So they're good. This is all dry. It's all nice and sweet. And I'm going to now fix this up to what it's supposed to look like. And hopefully the goal is the clutter in my office is diminished by 30%. Look at me to my 30%. But that's the hope. There's still a ton of work to be done in regard to my shoes. I got boots. I got clothes. This place still looks a mess. But, you know, we're going to get it together. I'm going to put the curtains up today. And so eventually the whole space will be done. And hopefully you've stuck through this series with me, so we all know what this is going to look like at the end. I'm excited. I cannot wait for this to be over. So because I had to wait on the knobs, I went ahead and put the shelves back in. If not, they were going to just cause a lot of chaos in my home, and I did not want that. So we put them back. It did cause a problem when I was trying to pull out the doors at a later date because there are no door pulls and these are flush against the surface. But it's okay and cool and dandy, but it is done, you know, preliminarily done anyway. You guys have already seen me use these door pulls, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in here now. They come with the screw already and then the door pull. However, when I went to put them into the drawers, the dresser drawers, they did not fit. So I went to Lowe's and I found some little screws that were just the same size. However, when I put them in, they were a bit too long. So I did a little hack, which I'm so excited. My sister actually came up with this idea and I thought it was genius. The screws that I came with these little washers. So I went ahead and just put a washer on there. And then you go ahead and just screw that thing on all the way to the bottom. Once you've done that, you proceed as normal, and then you have a perfectly good shelf. Now I use a screw to go ahead and screw the rest of the way. Don't make it too tight, but make it tight. And then you're done. When you're finished, it's going to look exactly like that. So now it's time for the fun part. I couldn't wait to decorate, and I went to Dollar Tree and got these books that kind of go with the color scheme of the office. The clock came from Target, and then that little silver vase came from the Dollar Tree. This lamp I actually got from a homegirl. She spray painted it silver and then decided she didn't want it. Well, silver is my color scheme, so I went ahead and put that together. That white vase I got from IKEA, and then the picture I actually printed myself, and the frame comes from IKEA. And that's basically it. Like, it is done. I did though decide that I wasn't really finished with the decorations, so I went to Ross and got a little plant because I wanted some greenery to go in that vase, and I placed it there. And the candle and candle holder comes from Dollar Tree and IKEA, and that is all. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this provides some inspiration for your creative spaces and storage options. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.